In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to review your fiscal year settings and build a clear, reliable forecast that you can use for planning and decision-making. Let's start with your fiscal year settings, because getting this wrong can throw off your entire forecast. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, go to the Settings icon in the upper right corner and choose Account and Settings. This is where your core company preferences live. Once you're there, select the Advanced tab on the left side. In the Advanced tab, look for the Accounting section. Here, you'll see a field labeled First Month of the Fiscal Year. Take a moment to confirm that the month shown actually matches how your business tracks its financial year. Many businesses use January, but if your fiscal year starts in a different month, you'll want this to match. If it's incorrect, select the Edit icon next to that field. Then, open the drop-down, choose the correct starting month, and make sure to select Save. When you're done reviewing this area, select Done to lock in those changes. This quick check ensures your forecast will line up with your reporting periods and keeps your numbers consistent. Now that your fiscal year is correct, let's create the forecast itself. On the left navigation bar, select Financial Planning, then choose Forecasts. This will open the forecasting tool designed specifically for planning future income and expenses. Select Create Forecast to start a new one. First, you'll choose the forecast format. You can keep it consolidated, which gives you a single overall forecast, or choose Subdivided if you want to break it out by class or by location or dimension. Subdivided forecasts can be really helpful if you track different departments, stores, or business units separately. Next, use the Forecast for drop-down to choose your time frame, like the current year, 2 years, or 3 years. Pick the period that best matches your planning horizon. Then, in the Forecast using drop-down, choose your forecasting method. If your business is not very seasonal, Average of Actuals works well. You'll select how many past months to average, such as 3, 6, 9, or 12 months, and QuickBooks will use that history to project forward. If your business is seasonal, actuals from last fiscal year is often more accurate because it uses the same months from the prior year as a baseline. In the Set Rules section, you can optionally fine-tune your forecast by applying percentage increases or decreases to certain account types. For example, you might plan for income to increase by 25%, while cost of goods sold might rise by 15%. These rules help your forecast reflect expected growth or changes in costs without editing every single line manually. Once you've set your options and rules, select Next. Here, you can give your forecast a clear descriptive name using the Edit icon. Naming it by year, scenario, or business unit can make it easier to find later. When everything looks good, select Save and Close. That's it. You've reviewed your fiscal year settings and created a forecast in QuickBooks Online Advanced that you can use to guide your business decisions.